POS Display has been manufacturing a turnkey solution for store fixtures, shop fitting, POS Display for retail commercial sectors for more than 15 years. We have worked in close collaboration with brands and design companies, to name some brands: DKNY, New ERA, Giant, TJ Maxx, Regatta, Bugaboo, etc. Custom manufacturing is our specialty. Our production capabilities include a wide variety of materials and processes, including but not limited to sheet metal, tubes, wood, acrylic, glass, aluminum, and stainless steel, and more. We have the knowledge, the experience, and the skills to execute your vision with attention to details and exceptional results. Fast, efficient, quality, craftsmanship, the signature of every POS project. From 2020, we are providing a wide range of furniture, fixture, and equipment for housing and hospitality spaces. Whether you need custom display fixtures or you are searching for furniture for home, hotel, you can put your trust in POS to become the partner that you deserve for any size of project or rollout need. We put your needs ahead of our own Creek values for you. To become a POS friend,